So what's up, guys, and thank you. Welcome to this lesson. And in this lesson, I want to show you the best method to embed our store right onto our website. So we are through with the first method, which is the theme and templates method, which I've showed you step-by-step guide how you could use the theme and template to create an e-commerce store using the Google Blogger platform. With this one, I'm going to show you is the easiest and is the best way to do it. All you need to do is to just register for this account, create your products on the platform, and embed your store right onto your website, and people can shop directly from your website. And the platform we're going to use is Ecwid. This is Ecwid. Ecwid is a platform that allows you to put sell your products anywhere online. You can sell on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. You can easily embed your store anywhere and sell your products and services there. And the best part is they have a forever free plan which you can try out, and when you have made few sales, then you can migrate to the paid plans. And guys, this platform is very wonderful. I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate it right onto our website. So if you don't have an account yet, you want to create an account, so you click on create a free account. So I have an account, so I'll log into my account to show you what it is, what it looks like in it. So this is my account, right? So this is my account right now, and immediately you finish creating your account, you're gonna come here, and it's gonna ask you to complete this stuff. Like as you can see, I've only created my account. I still have to add my own store to the website or social media, add your products or services, review regional settings, choose how to deliver your goods, set up payment options. So these are the step-by-step to-do list which the platform has provided every member to follow. And when you follow all this stuff, it's gonna be very easy for you. So let's say you've gone through all this stuff, and you've followed through, you've added your payment gateway. They have about 40 payment gateways, even more than they work with different payment method. There's surely a payment method that works for you. So let's say we're through with this stuff, we have uploaded our products, and we are okay, and we are fine with it. So I want to embed this store right onto our website. So guys, it's very easy to do. All you need to do is to just get the embeddable code and paste it on our website, and all the products we have listed here on this Ecwid platform will reflect on our website, and people can now easily make purchases from our website, and they pay us directly on our website, and we receive the payment. Now you can embed this Ecwid store on Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you're using. You can easily integrate it. Like I told you earlier on, it has lots of payment gateways and integration, so you are sure that you are in safe hands. So in the next lesson, I'll show you exactly how to embed our store right onto our website. So for now, all you need to do is to fill in all your details here, add your store in your website and social media, follow all these to-do lists. It's very self-explanatory. And see you in the next lesson, where I will show you exactly how to embed your store right onto your website. So guys, thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one.